Okay, let's do sine law. Okay, so this question is telling us we need to use sine law, and one of the ways we know, because there's another law, cosine law too. We use these for non-right angle triangles. Okay, we can actually use them for right angle triangles, but it's easier to use SOHCAHTOA. The way we know we're going to use sine law is if we have an opposite side and the measure of the opposite angle. So because we have both these measures, we can use sine law to solve this. Okay. In fact, we're going to solve the triangle. Okay, that's going to be our goal here. So the way these things are set up, we have A, B, and C. I can rename this triangle any way I like. Okay, so I'm just going to rename it. I'm going to call this A, B, and C, which now means this is side A, and we'll do the others in different colors actually.
And that's side C.
Yeah,
side B.
Exactly. You got to remember that rule, even when drawing right angle triangles.
Okay.
Okay, so that's going to be side B because it's opposite angle B, and that's going to be side C because it's opposite angle C.
Okay.
So that's an important rule we know with triangles. Now, from there, we're going to set up our sine law. So A, sine, and uppercase A stands for the angle. So sine 68 divided by 20 is equal to, let's set up B. Sine, well, we don't know angle B and we don't know side B, is equal to sine, I don't know angle C, but I do know side C is 18. Now, I don't know anything about B, so...
Are you allowed to rearrange it?
Yeah, we're going to drop it off. And we're just going to work with two of them. In fact, we always just work with two. It's easier that way. Sine 68 is equal to 20, which equals to sine C over 18. The goal is to solve for C. That's our unknown.
Okay.
So I'm trying to isolate that. So I want to move everything to the other side. So I'm going to start with the number 18. To move 18 to the other side, because this is a division sign, what do I have to do to the other side?
No, divide. Yeah, divide it.
If it's division here, in order to move it,
Multiplication.
yeah, we do the opposite. We multiply. So this is now going to read 18 times
Sine 68
sine 68
divided by 20 equals C. Sine C.
sine C. So let's equate that. Let's figure out what that's going to be. Got a calculator here. Sine 68
Divided by 20 times 18.
yeah, divided by 20 times 18. 0.8344, let's say. Okay, is equal to sine C. The goal is to get C by itself. How do I move figuratively the sine?
Divided by sine.
Can I divide by sine? You ever try that on a
Multiply?
calculator?
No.
Let's show you what happens.
Do you multiply by sine?
Let's divide. No, it's not going to work on this calculator. Let's go to my option. Yeah, on your calculator, if you push sine, or sorry, push like 8 divided by sine equals error. Doesn't happen. You can't divide by sine. When we move sine to the other side, remember solving for an angle, what does it kind of become? You recall?
Positive.
There's a variable we put to it.
X.
Sorry, not a variable. An exponent.
Oh, -1.
Yes, that's right. I said variable. So we have this now is equal to C. And then when we go put that in the calculator, it's very solvable.
It's 57 something.
Is it?
I don't know.
Shift.
That's what I saw.
Yeah, 56.55. It's very close. 56.55 is the angle C. Okay, so we jump back up. I'm going to round it to 57. So that's 57 degrees. Now, said solve the triangle. So I want to solve for angle B and side B still. How can I find angle B very quickly?
68. 68. 57 minus 1 equals 55.
55. So our missing angle is 55 degrees. Now, when I go to set up my sine C, okay.
Just find
Oh, sorry, my side B, yeah. B stands for 55, so now I can use sine law to solve that. So let's do it down here. sine, what are our original numbers here? 68 was it? Yeah. Over 20 was equal to sine 55 over unknown, side B. We're trying to get B by itself again. Well, B's on the bottom. So this is where we use some cross multiplication. We always want to get rid of our fractions if we get the chance. So this says B multiplied by sine 68 is equal to 20 times sine 55. We can equate those and figure out numbers if we like. So sine 9271. 9271. And on the other side, 55 sine times 20, 16.383. 16.383. How would I get B by itself?
Divide.
Divide what?
8.
What's it?
0.9271.
By what?
0.9271.
What do I do the other side?
Exactly the same.
Yep. So side B will equal, I'm doing our calculator again, 17.67. So roughly 17.67. Quite a bit to do on that one.
Yeah.
Sine law to solve the whole triangle.